Debtor turnover ratio measures a company's ability to collect its accounts receivable in a given period. To calculate it, divide total credit sales by the average accounts receivable balance. Step 1. Determine the total credit sales for the period you are analyzing. Step 2. Calculate the average accounts receivable balance by adding the beginning and ending balances. Step 3. Divide the total credit sales by the average accounts receivable balance to get the debtor turnover ratio. For example, if a company had $500,000 in credit sales and an average accounts receivable balance of $100,000, the ratio would be 5.0. A high debtor turnover ratio indicates efficient collection of accounts receivable, while a low ratio may signal issues with collecting payments. Let's take another example. Company X had $600,000 in credit sales and an average accounts receivable balance of $150,000. Calculating the debtor turnover ratio for Company X, we get 4.0, indicating a slower collection of accounts receivable compared to the first example. Monitoring this ratio over time can help assess a company's financial health and liquidity.